See, if you're like me, I have no doubt that you have Google Map on the phone that you're using right now, just like every other person. And what most people use it for is to find their way. But guess what? 99.9% of the people that use Google Map don't even know that they can use it to find money online. But not you though, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Maps to find $450 every single day on Fiverr as a new freelancer using just Google Maps. Now, if this is something that you're interested in and you have Google Maps on your phone, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, here's the thing. If you watch this video to the end and you apply everything that I'm going to be teaching you in this video and you don't make any money, don't worry, I'm going to be paying you $450 every single day until you start making money with this strategy. So I'm telling you this for two things, so that you can pay attention and watch this video to the end so that you don't get to miss anything, and also to guarantee you that this is a strategy that works and this is nothing like anything you have ever seen or heard on YouTube or any other place. This is unique, and if you apply it, it's going to work for you. Now, first thing first, you come over to your browser and you search for a particular niche that you want to use to make money from. Now, for me, I use restaurants. So all I have to do here is search for restaurants. So I'm going to go ahead and search for restaurants. So now that the search result has come out, the next thing you're going to do is to click on maps. All right, so now that it has opened, you're going to see all the restaurants around you listed right here. And you're going to go ahead and open each and every one of them. You're going to do multiple things with it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, the first method I'm going to teach you doesn't require any skills whatsoever. All you need to do is to do copy and paste and you're good to go, and you still make $450. So please do well to like this video if you're getting any value so far, and I believe by the end of this video you'll see a reason or two or even three reasons why you should subscribe to this channel so that you can see more videos like this. And the next thing you're going to do is to click on anyone, and it's going to pop up like this, and you're going to see their phone number. If you scroll down, you might even see their email address and their website. This restaurant doesn't have a website and it doesn't have an email address, so we're going to go ahead and copy the name of the restaurant and then come over to your document and paste it here. We're going to go ahead and copy the number here, and then we'll come over to our document and paste it here as well, and then we're going to come back again and do the same thing. Okay, so now that we have this open, we're going to copy the name and then we'll come over here and paste it, and then we're going to put the phone number as well. Okay, we'll copy the phone number and we'll come over here and put it. They have a website, so let's open their website and see what's happening there and see if there's anything that we can work with from there. So here, if you scroll down, you're going to see their email address, so we're going to copy the email address as well. Copy email address, and we'll come over here and also put the email address, and we're also going to put the website address. Let's copy the website address and put it like so, and let's also check the website and see if we can find any other information that we can use to sell our business to them. So we'll click on contact us. All right, so here we have this, and we have this phone number, and again we have a different email. Copy all the emails if you're going to be sending emails. This will ensure that all the management of the business or the company will receive that email and they will attend to it faster. So you're going to make sure that you copy all the email addresses and all the phone numbers, because you don't even know the one that is the CEO, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy this like so. Copy, and then we'll come over to our Word document and we're going to put it here as well. You just take your time and outline all these things. Just because of the purpose of this tutorial, that is why I'm trying to make it as fast as possible. But originally, if I'm doing this, I make it well detailed. So we're going to come back to the website again, and we're going to check the number, the phone number. Okay, this one starts with 88888. So we're going to come back to contact us and pick the second number. So you see that number that we have here, the number that we copied initially here, and then we are seeing a different number. So who knows, this might be the CEO's number. So we're going to just go ahead and copy the phone number like so. We'll come here and put the alternate phone number like so, and then let's come back to their website again, and we're going to look at their social media this time around. So all we have to do is to just right click and open link in a new tab, and let's just take a look at their Instagram and see what they have going on there and see if we have anything for them. So they have an Instagram account, but as you can see, it looks like this Instagram account is not active. To prove that, let's click on their latest post like so. Now you can see that the latest post was uploaded 364 weeks ago. And that is 2016. That's the last time that they uploaded on their Instagram account. Do they? Or maybe they have another Instagram account. You never can tell. But let's also note this down. So we're just going to take the Instagram account and we're going to note down that the Instagram account is not active. All right. So now we have this Instagram account at Tilapia Teens, not active. So now that I've noted everything about this business down, I'm going to do the same thing over and over again till I have a lot of businesses that I'm going to reach out to. Now, the next thing you're going to do when you have the list of your businesses is to now offer your service. And like I promised, this first step is a no skill service, right? Now, these people deal on restaurant, right? And people can order online. And a lot of people prefer ordering things from an app than a website. And that is where we're going to come in. We're going to give them an app and collect money from them. And it's totally simple. All you have to do is to come over to codecanyon.net. And then once you come over to Code Canyon, you search for restaurant delivery. And now we have an app that we're going to be selling to them. How incredible is this? Now, these businesses, of course, they want to make more money, right? And a lot of people are more used to ordering food or ordering things from apps, and these businesses don't have any app whatsoever. So if you pitch this app to them, they will be more than happy to jump on it because it's going to help them make more sales and cover larger areas. So people can, from the comfort of their home, open their app and then order food. All right. So to check out this app, you just click on this one, the second one, or any one. Just take your time and go through all the app and see the one that best fits what you want to use it for. And if you don't understand any of the language that they use there, simply go over to Google, copy and paste, and see if you understand better. If you don't understand, then you leave that app and go to the one that you understand the English perfectly and see if it suits the business. And once it suits the business, then you can move over to the next phase, which is customization. You know, you pay for the app and then you do customization. Not you. You're not the one that will do the customization. Once you buy the app, these sellers are going to do the customization for you. They're going to change the logo. They're going to change everything, put payment information, put everything, and the app will be ready. You will not touch a thing. All you need to do is to collect your money, order it from here, and deliver it straight to them, and you're good to go. So here you can see that the app is sold at $39, guys. $39. So you can resell this for $450. You can resell this for $250. You can resell this for $150. You can resell it for $100, depending on your area and depending on the kind of people or the kind of businesses that you're reaching out to. I know you might have this one question: how would they believe you? How would they not think that you're a scammer? Now, it's very easy. That is where Fiverr comes in. Go over to Fiverr, create a gig as an app developer, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and pick these phone numbers that you got here and put a call through to them. Tell them exactly how you got their phone number or their email address. Please don't lie about it. Tell them that you were making a research and you found their number on Google Maps and you decided to call them, that this is the service that you render and you want to do it for them for almost for free. You're not going to be paying me directly. You're going to just order my gig on Fiverr. So that way you're sure that your money is safe. So if they receive the app and they don't like it, they can cancel the order and then they are going to be refunded 100%. So with this, they're going to have all the confidence to do business with you. If you don't sound confident, if you're not confident, people are not going to believe you on the other end, because I mean, his voice, they can tell that you're scared or you're not sure of what you're saying or you have never done this before. So if you're making that call, I want you to make that call as if this is something that you have been doing for a very long time. So you're going to confidently put that call through to them, and then you're going to convince them that this is the service that you offer and you would like them to use it to build their business. And trust me, you're going to be making a lot of this money in your pocket. Trust me, it's that easy, but the procedure is very tedious. So it's an amazing way for you to make money. And another one you can do is by developing websites for them. Now, this is an amazing strategy as well. All you have to do is to learn how to design websites. And with the recent technology, you don't even need to learn all the technical things about websites. You can simply use Canva Website Builder, which I have done a tutorial on this, and I'll leave the link in the description. You can click here to watch it after watching this video so that you can learn how to design a website with your mobile phone. And then the secret here is that a lot of people charge hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars to design websites. But guess how much we're going to be charging, right? Guess how much? Just $30. So let's assume that you're charging $30. You only need 15 people to make $450 a day. And then the third way you can use Google Maps to make money is if you come over to this Instagram account here, you can see that this Instagram account is not active. And all you have to do is to call up the business on the phone and tell them, this your Instagram account is not active and it's a very bad thing for your business. But don't worry, we know it's a lot of work to manage your social media account, and we're offering our services at so and so price. We're going to be managing your Instagram account or your social media accounts, and look at the number of posts that we're going to be posting for you every day. In case you think that we are scammers, you don't even have to pay us directly, and this is also where you refer them to Fiverr. Do you understand what is going on here? So you're going to be using Fiverr to block out any thoughts they have in their mind that you're a scammer, right? If at any point you feel stuck and you want some guidance one-on-one, you want me to help coach you one-on-one, I have a link in the description where you can book a session with me so that I can coach you one-on-one and put you through anything that you don't understand or anything you can ever think of online. I am fully grounded to help you succeed in that endeavor. And this is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel. So go ahead and watch it right now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.